President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ashendekereza ibwo mukazwe kandi Minister w'Obwegyese n'emizano Janet Kata Museveni erizoba yataho mu kiro cya kabiri arukishera karuru omucyanga cya Teso. Museveni erizoba yatandikira mu district ya Kaberamaido na Kalaki kandi ababayakirwa speaker w'ishengero rya Uganda Anita Amongi no muwezi wa chairman wa NRM w'ecyanga cya Burugwizoba Kevin David Echodu hamwe n'abandi.
Mzee, you're welcome. Mama, you're welcome. Welcome to Kaberamaido. Welcome to Ochero. We want to thank you for giving us your precious time.
Chairman wa NRM wa district ya Kaberamaido Emet Al Hassan yagambira president ko barukwenda ngo abakorera nshonga y'ekirgeri ecyaraba yembeho kugita Teso na Busoga barukora biro mu nyanza ya Rekchoga kibahwero kutungura byo bushubuzi.
Your Excellency, while the BKK ferry on Lake Kyoga has been constructed, our docking facilities have not been completed and it has delayed the process government has made. Your Excellency, we are requesting for your kind intervention to speed up this process.
Speaker Amongi aha kampineji yahamya ku President Museveni arukuza kusinjira higura karuro muri Teso nebichweka 95 harigana.
And because of the transformation that is in Teso, we can assure you of 95% support from Teso.
Amongi yashobora nanshonga y'ekirgeri ngunikiza kutandika mu kwezi kwa 12 omwaka ogu.
The BKK ferry under the leadership of President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni is going to be launched in December this year.
Now I just want to use this opportunity to recommend to you that you all remember to vote on that day for the President and the whole lineup of NRM government.
President kuyakwata kazindaro kugamba yayanjura abantu bi NRM kwenda kubakorera omuncure rukorataho.
Let me see. 2 solar powered mini piped water schemes have been completed in Obur and Adudur.
Parishes TP me pipe otieki parishes go.
Then a new supply project is in Awelu village.
Tiebo banyen project me PT Awelu chalo ma Awelu.
Then Ochero Town Council has got piped water supply.
Ochero Town Council take the P me pipe.
Future plans, expansion and further development of the Ochero Town Council piped water supply and sanitation system.
Museveni yagaruka yabisana abinte bikozirwe ahayongiro kunyoze byo kwerinda no kurwanisa abahecara babiri n'abateganisa okureta hentunguka kandi hati ngo yetebenkanise gukora amashanyarazi oruguto hamwe nebindi.
New health centers needs to be constructed in Oriamo and Kaberamaido sub-counties.
Oriamo yanu Udo Health Center wu Beremado oyarogero ne Uda Health Center okwepo yunadu.
Now, all of this economic infrastructure, social infrastructure are all under Donglobo.
Izoberga nyinchakare President Museveni no kurondera karuruke district ya Amuria Gashakwa Ram Edwin.